We were going through the story of Shivaraman in the last video. We'll continue that story now. We studied in the last video that none of the children of Shivaraman goes to school. This is because he thinks that he needs to get them married at some point of time, so there is no use of spending the money on education. Now, his old mother, she has no interest in her life and she is just waiting to die someday, as Shivaraman and his wife goes out to work, so his sister and the elder daughter takes care of the household. Now Shivaraman is planning to send his son to the school whenever he comes to the age of going to school. Now his unmarried sister is seen as a burden by both Shashikala and Shivaraman. Now Shivaraman is trying to find a groom for her, but he is unable to find it due to the lack of money. Now although the family has difficulty in arranging 2 meals a day, Shivaraman is somehow managing to buy milk for his little son. Now, this story of Shivaraman tells us many aspects of the society, that's how the society works. The first aspect is that Shivaraman belongs to both backward, socially and economically backward groups, so he is constituted among the most vulnerable group. He is facing poverty. Now the second aspect is that the story shows the inequality of income of man and women. When Shivaraman and his wife are doing the same work, but Shivaraman is paid more and his wife is paid less. Now the next aspect is that there is the lack of education and health facility in the family. His old mother is not given proper health care and the children in the family are not being sent to school. The third thing which we could see is that Shivaraman does not want to send his girls to school because he thinks that he will get them married someday and there is no sense of spending money on education. Now his sister, which is only 25 and that is the right age of getting married, but they see her as a burden, that why she is living with us, and Shivaraman is trying to find a groom, but he is unable to find it because of the lack of money. So how dowry system works, that they need money to get their girl or her sister married. Now one more thing which we can see in the story is that Shivaraman is planning to send his son to school, while what he thinks that sending girls to school is useless, but he wants to send his son to school. This shows the discrimination between male and female child. And one more point of discrimination shown here is that he though the family is unable to eat meal twice a day, but he is managing to buy milk for his son. So all these aspects show that how our society works, what kind of evils are still prevailing in society, like discrimination with the girl child, providing no education facilities to the girl child, and treating son as an asset and looking at the girls as just a burden, inequality between male and female. So the story of Shivaraman tells us many evils and negative aspects of our society.